हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रिया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ 10 न्यू परफ्यूम्स लेकर आई हूँ एंड दीज आर ऑल ड्यूप्स ऑफ हाई एंड परफ्यूम्स एंड दीज परफ्यूम्स आर क्रिएटेड बाय प्लैटिनम परफ्यूम्स. Platinum Perfumes is an Instagram store and they sell dupes of very high end designer fragrances, and they are selling it literally at a starting price of 299, and they have some different range like 10 ml, 30 ml and so, and different price range for it. They have catalog and you can check out what designer fragrances they are coming up with, and they have very they keep updating their collection and एकदम new releases लेकर आते हैं market में जो available है. So overall Platinum Perfumes is really amazing, good quality, good pricing, longevity is amazing, and they are not synthetic. So I love the quality for Platinum Perfumes, and that's why I keep bringing these videos again and again on my channel, because I test and try so many of them, and I have literally thrown away my designer fragrances from my wish list, because these are literally 95% dupes and similar to the designer fragrances at 1/10 of the price. So I want to save my money, and I am very happy with how these fragrances perform. So that's why I bring in these videos for you. Let me know what is your shopping experience at Platinum Perfumes, which perfumes you've tried, and whether you agree or disagree with me. Let me know in the comment section. So let's begin. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you've hit the bell notification, and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. The first one that I want to show you is a 10 ml bottle, and this one is Miss Dior. Now Miss Dior by Dior is like one of the classy and one of the most cult favorites from Dior. Now this one is super expensive. I just want to go on and on saying these things again, but this one is super expensive, and this one is said to be like a rosy, powdery, vanillic, makeup-y kind of a fragrance, which is classy, which is elegant, which is feminine, very girly, and kind of reminds me of the color pink. That's exactly what this fragrance is all about. The notes breakdown on this one is iris, peony, lily of valley, middle notes of apricot, rose and peach, and then vanilla, musk, tonka bean, benzoin, sandalwood. Has some creamy elements to it, has this iris note that brings in that makeup like powdery feel. Of course, vanilla and musk in this is creating that sweet, powdery, cloudy feel in this. It is airy, but it is also dense. This is such a feminine fragrance, and this is perfect for everyday wear, perfect for daytime, perfect for office, formal events, informal events. This is just perfection in a bottle. So this one is the first variant. Again, the performance is great on this one. I get around 6 to 7 hours, a good projection and good sillage. I'm overall very happy with Miss Dior rendition. Love it. If you are into feminine fragrances, a very delicate one, you definitely should get your hands on this one. Next one is Versace Eros Pour Femme. Now this perfume is a white floral, citrusy and a woody fragrance. It has a nice clean girl vibe to it. If you're someone who does not like very sweet fragrances, if you like some freshies with hints of floral touch and that citrus blast, you will like this one. Again, a very apt for daytime wear. Again, perfect office, formal, informal wear kind of. This gives me a performance of 5 hours, and the projection and sillage is moderate on this one. The notes breakdown are Sicilian lemon, pomegranate, Calabrian bergamot, middle notes of lemon blossom, jasmine sambac, jasmine and peony, and base notes of musk, ambroxan, woodsy notes and sandalwood. So this one is a very clean, a very beautiful white floral, a very elegant, kind of like a sophisticated and a very classy fragrance. And this one kind of reminds me of the color white. It just has a very clean girl bridal scent vibe to it. So if you are someone who is into these kind of fragrances, a very feminine energy, white floral, clean, freshy kind of fragrance, you definitely would love this one. I love using this in office and on everyday chores. Next perfume is Acqua di Gio. Now just from the name, it is pretty clear that this fragrance is a very freshy, it's like a marine, aromatic, fresh, spicy kind of a fragrance. This perfume has its own fan base, and this perfume looks very simple but is one of the most complicated perfume in terms of perfume notes. If you see, it has so many notes. Like, If I go ahead and keep talking about these notes, we literally like sit here for 1 hour. So many notes. I'm just going to leave the notes breakdown right here for you to check out, because just so many. In the gist, what I can tell you is this is like freshy. It has zestiness. It has marine notes. It has like those sea elements in this, and hint of light florals and hint of some freshness from fruitiness, and kind of like a fresh aromatic spicy fragrance. Now freshies, they don't perform very well on my skin, so I get around 4 to 5 hours of longevity with this one, and the sillage and projection is kind of moderate on this one. I do like a everyday freshy fragrance for myself. This is a very regular and a very casual fragrance for me, something that I can just wake up and wear, or something I'm just out of the shower and I want to smell fresh and clean. This is what I'll go for. Next perfume is Viva La Juicy La Fleur. Now this fragrance is a very sweet, floral and juicy. Like this is like a white floral, fruity and a caramel sweet kind of a fragrance. It opens up with red berries, mandarin orange and water lily. Middle notes of honeysuckle, gardenia, jasmine. Base notes of caramel, vanilla and sandalwood. So this one is a very delicate floral and a very sweet berry based and a very sweet caramel dripping kind of a fragrance. Such a balanced balanced set of notes with some fruitiness, some florals and some sweetness. It's a perfect mix of a fragrance, and I love these kind of fragrances which are very balanced, which are good for everyday use. And again, this is something which is so attractive. Like this fragrance is a people pleaser. Yeah, I get a tons of compliments when I wear something like this. Especially men seem to like such fragrances on women, is what my observation is. So if you want like an attraction magnet, you want people to ask, you want men to feel attracted to you, maybe this is the one that you should go for. Now next one is one of my personal favorite and one of my signature scents, and this one is Prada Candy, and this one is the dupe for Prada Candy. Now you can see my Prada Candy is over, and I'm so sad that this one is over, because this is one of my favorite fragrances to wear, and of course a rich, thick, syrupy caramel based perfume. Who doesn't need that? So it's over, and it's again like very expensive, so I went for the dupe for Prada Candy. I'm so happy to announce that finally I have a dupe for Prada Candy for you guys, which is quite similar to the original. This one has caramel in the opening, some powdery notes and musk, base notes of benzoin and vanilla. This is a nice thick kind of like a syrupy sort of this is so good. This just has a tiny hint of syntheticness to it in the opening. Just be patient with it for 2 to 3 minutes after you spray it, and that syntheticness kind of like fades away, and you get a perfume which is very similar and very close to the original Prada Candy. This one performs well on me. I get around 5 to 6 hours, good projection and good sillage. Next one is Cheirosa 62 by Sol de Janeiro. Now this fragrance has its own fan base to it. Like so many people, for so many people, this is a signature fragrance, and for all the good reasons, because this one is very thick, vanillic, caramel, nutty, almond, powdery kind of a fragrance. Now this one opens up with pistachio and almond that brings in a lot of nuttiness, middle notes of heliotrope and jasmine, and base notes of caramel, vanilla, salt and sandalwood. So many brands have tried to come up with similar scent profiles. Even Plum, that vanilla caramello is kind of like said to be a dupe of this, but I think this dupe is better than Plum dupe, because this one is quite similar to Cheirosa 62. Yeah, this is literally like a 90-95% close to Cheirosa 62. Again, a gorgeous fragrance. If you are into sweet nutty perfumes and you don't have the budget for Sol de Janeiro, you need to buy this one. It is so good. This one is quite addictive in a way, because it's like, it feels like a snack. When I wore this, my husband was like sticking to my neck. Like, this is such a romantic fragrance and such a good one that people actually want to come and sniff you. So this is very addictive, a very sexy kind of a fragrance, and you can set up the mood if you're wearing something like this. This again has a great performance, good 6-7 hours, good longevity, good projection and good sillage. I love this one. Like, I wish to get a bigger bottle of this perfume. The next one is Euphoria by Calvin Klein. Now, I do have the OG for this one. I do have Calvin Klein Euphoria with me, and it is one of the most addictive, most seductive, most sexy fragrances in my collection. And I usually tend to wear it during my date nights, or if I'm going on a romantic lunch or something like that. So I usually tend, and I usually prefer wearing it on occasions when I'm exclusively going with my partner. So that is the kind of fragrance that is, because I find it to be very, mysterious and sexy. So it's a good combination. So this one is a dupe to CK Euphoria. Now this opens up with pomegranate, parmesan and green accords, middle notes of black orchid, lotus and champaka, and base notes of mahogany, amber, black violet and whipped cream. So it is super duper unique fragrance. You cannot find anything like this remotely in any of the fragrances. Calvin Klein has done just amazing job with this fragrance. It's been so many years that this has been released, but I still kind of like, people are still crazy for this one, especially because the use of pomegranate in this one just makes the juice super super seductive and super mysterious. This is CK Euphoria. If you're looking for a different take on kind of like a fruity, fresh woody fragrance, you should try this one. However, I do want to tell you that Euphoria is a mature scent, so only if you feel that you can carry off that level of mature fragrance, then only go for it. Okay, so let's talk about one of my signature scents from Platinum Perfumes, and this one is again from Dior, and this is Poison Girl. Now, I have already in my empties video, I have told you that I always add Dior Poison Girl in my order whenever I'm ordering from Platinum Perfumes, because I just need to have 10 to 30 backups of this perfume. This is my signature scent. I absolutely love wearing this fragrance. Compliment getter. It seeks attention. It just is the perfect one that I want to go with. It is vanillic, powdery, it is nutty, it's very sexy, it's very seductive, it just has its own energy, and I get so many compliments on this one. Like, people ask me so many times what I'm wearing. This is very thick, it is very present, and it just doesn't leave your side. It, like, you will get the wisp of this fragrance throughout the day. So I'll say the best projection, अभी तक जितने भी perfumes दिखाए थे, सबसे अच्छा projection इसी का है. Like, Dior Poison Girl has the best projection. This opens up with bitter orange and lemon, mid notes of damask rose, grass rose and orange blossom, base notes of vanilla, almond, tonka bean, tolu balsam, sandalwood, cashmere and heliotrope. One of the best powdery almond vanillic fragrances out in the market. This is a sexy woman in a bottle. That's what this is for me. I absolutely love this one. Next one is Burberry Goddess. Now, Burberry Goddess is a very famous and viral fragrance from Burberry. This is like one of the hit releases from Burberry recently. This perfume is a vanillic lavender, warm, spicy fragrance. The lavender in this is kind of like aromatic. It is very calming, and the vanilla is super sweet. It is also, again, like, it mixes up with lavender so well and creates this very simple basic kind of a fragrance, but it is so soothing, it is so calming, it is so addictive. I just cannot get enough of this fragrance profile. And recently, on my birthday, my husband gifted me Burberry Goddess, and I was on top of the world, because oh my god, that fragrance is just another level. I was so happy. I was literally jumping in excitement, and I don't know how he kind of read my mind that I wanted that, and he just got it for me. And it's a freaking 10,000 ka perfume, and I was like, stop. Like, stop. And but I'm so happy and I'm so grateful that he got that for me, and I love it. And I've been using it like a crazy girl, and I'm not able to keep that perfume down. And thank god that Platinum Perfume has come out with Burberry Goddess, because I have to save the original juice of that perfume, because I will not have the guts to purchase that again, and I will not let my husband purchase it again for me. So I need to save it. I need to save it for my memories. I want to save it for lifelong. I will not get rid of that bottle. It's yeah, it's going to be with me lifelong. It's going to be a permanent memory and nothing can change that. And thank God that I have this one now. I'll pour this one on myself and then maybe 1 and 2 spritz of the actual Burberry Goddess. So yeah, coming back to this one, again, a beautiful rendition, a good dupe, a good try, and I really wanted something like this to come up from Platinum Perfumes, and I'm very happy that they attempted. It has good performance, good projection, and good sillage. So overall, I absolutely love it, and I do recommend it. The last perfume in today's haul is Vanilla 28 by Kayali. I see a lot of vanilla fragrances in this haul, right? So I am especially during this season, during like colder months, I tend to go with those warm, spicy, vanilla heavy fragrances, and these fragrances just fit the occasion, like just fit the mood that I'm currently in. So most of them had like heavy vanilla dosages in them. So this Kayali by Vanilla 28 is again a repurchase for me, and I actually repurchased to test and try this one more because some of you had kind of messaged me saying that over a period of time your Vanilla 28 fragrance had changed. The juice color had changed, and the fragrance had changed. I did not have that experience. Like, my juice color changed from this color, it started darkening, and it literally became like a dark shade of brown. And it's very common for vanilla fragrances to darken over a period of time, so you really don't have to worry about it. It's just that the vanilla, your perfume is getting macerated and mixing with oxygen, and it's kind of like oxidizing and macerating. Nothing to worry about. It kind of becomes more concentrated. The fragrance for me did not change, it just became more dense, which I liked. So technically I would say that you should not be afraid if the juice color is changing over time. Vanilla fragrances, most of the time, they tend to change the color. They tend to get a little sweeter, a little dense, and something like that. So I actually bought this again to test and try, just to see if this fragrance changes over time. As of now, it smells exactly like Vanilla 28. It is like vanillic, ambery, thoda sa spicy, and a good balanced fragrance which can be used for layering. So this one has vanilla, orchid, and jasmine, mid notes of brown sugar and tonka bean, base notes of amber wood, musk, and patchouli. So a very kind of like a good layering vanillic fragrance. You can obviously wear it on your own, but it really does well when you layer it with other fragrances. So this is something that I really like using it for. Like, for me, Vanilla 28 is like one of my go-to layering fragrances, and that's how I like use most of the time. Again, it's a good performing fragrance. I get around 6 to 7 hours, and projection and sillage is moderate. So those were the 10 fragrances from Platinum Perfumes. I hope that you enjoyed watching this haul as well as review. Let me know your experience with Platinum Perfume fragrances, and you like watching these videos. Do let me know, and do give me your feedback of how the fragrances have turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.